Hello there. Welcome back to On the Bright Side. And what is up with this drab lighting? Am I right? Good thing I have new and improved lighting. Now you can bask in the glory of my entire beautiful face. I'll probably continue to improve that since this is just kind of like essentially a light that I'm shining at the wall that will bounce off onto this side of my face, which has previously been consumed by the shadows. Anyway, I assume none of you that are actually here care about that, because we have more My Hero stuff. And unfortunately, Tiffany is not here to continue to watch this with me. She is away, but she will be back next week. But yeah, last time we began the attack on the villa with all the villains. And it's scary. I'm scared. We also had Miriko, an awesome fight scene with Miriko, and we had Kaminari being a lightning rod and gaining courage to fight for his friends. The power of friendship knows no bounds. So, I assume we will continue to see the operation go down, as I will assume for like at least the next half of this season. So let's begin. Season 6, Episode 3. 3, 2, 1, go! Huh? I blacked out for the entire opening. Nice. The whole ass government is on this. He's so happy all the time. Yarp. Stress. I guess that's gonna be a stress test. It's so crazy how he can just do that. Like, goddamn. Jesus Christ. That quirk is so crazy. Yeah, get her sleepy smell out there. This is what I'll call it. Alright, Conway Woods. Nice. Oh. Is this our friend? Yeah, his quirk is sweet. God damn, they're all so good. Well. Oh shit. And this is when Hawks turns. Aw, man, Twice isn't gonna like this one. Yeah, this was a good idea to keep him locked down. Yep. Oh man, I love Hawks. Poor Twice. He just wants to be friends with people. Damn. Twice is the most sympathetic out of the entirety of the villain cast. Well, I mean, I feel sympathetic for the other people, but Twice is the only one that I feel like hasn't really been a villain? Like, yeah, he commits crimes. But I don't know if he's ever, like, really killed anyone or wants to kill people. Damn. Hawk's just cold. You know what? Thank God Tiffany isn't here. She really likes Twice. She would be very upset. It's rough. I don't know if he'll accept that. No, no. That's a tense situation. Okay. Alright. Oh, it's Centaur time! A pineapple? Durian? Spiky plants. Show me the reverie in the darkness! Let's go! Oh boy. It's gonna be hard to go up against Redestro, but Dark Shadow is really strong in the dark. Yeah. Yeah, he's totally not gonna wake up from that nap and we're not gonna have a problem. Oh boy. That's kind of intimidating. Ugh. Someone who can troll hundreds of feathers up against someone who can split their body. They're a perfect matchup. God damn, why is this so sad? Jeez. This music, man. Ooh. Ah. Oh, I don't want Twice to die. Ugh. Dobby showing up is not good. Jeez. Whew. Yeah, fire is not good against you, Hawks. Yeah, he seems... yeah. Yeah, get him out of here. Ah, oh, man. Because you are seriously injured. Shit! God damn. Oh? Oh god. Oh god! Jesus. Hawks is hardcore as fuck. Ooh. I'm worried for Twice. Damn. God damn. Ah! Why'd they do it to me? Alright. Oh my god. Sorry if I didn't commentate much. I was a little wrapped up in my emotions. My Hero Academia's never made me cry. It got close this episode. The closest it got was at the end of season 4 with Eri at the culture festival. And the candy apple. Oh my god. But man, I didn't think I would feel so bad for a villain dying. If that's the case, how bad am I gonna feel when a hero dies this arc? Oh, that was rough. He just wanted to have fun with his friends, and essentially he was too good of a guy to be a villain. I don't think Twice was cut out for it. Now, like, the show could surprise me with him being alive next episode, but I think that was pretty definitively Twice's death. And that's obviously the biggest thing that happened this episode. Hawks really seemed to like him. Him in particular. Man, I just did not expect a casualties so soon. But like Twice was a big threat. Being able to his quirk is huge. One of the main reasons why everyone survived in the My Villain Academia arc was because Twice was there. He was like, you know, if it wasn't for Shigaraki, Twice was like the main character of that arc pretty much. So his death here is like super tragic because, I mean, at least among the villains, he was, again, I was saying during the episode, he was the nicest one. So I don't see the League of Villains characters taking this well at all. In fact, Twice is probably going to be kind of a martyr and act as like their motivation for continuing to fight back. Because the only person that they've lost so far was Big Sis Mag, which felt like it happened so quick. And the only ones that really took it super bad were Twice and Toga. But I think Toga's definitely gonna be pissed. I don't know how close the rest of them were to Twice, but sucks, man. I feel like Shigaraki, I wonder how he'll take it if he finds out. Otherwise, on the hero side, we really only saw a couple of them. We got to see Edgeshot and Midnight do their thing. We got to see Mudman, I'm forgetting his real name, and Mushroom Girl, Kinoko, do some cool things. And man, Tokoyami's Dark Shadow it's just so strong. Like, at full power, that thing, I mean, obviously, Redestro is weakened, but it was able to push him back. And I know that, like, it was established that it was strong when pretty much the Unleashed version of Dark Shadow took out Moonfish all those episodes ago, who was a character. I really like that character design, and I'm sad that it was only for a single arc. I was kind of hoping that this episode would be good for a solo reaction. I might have to make a short video. I might have to make a short abridged video showing Tiffany's reaction to some of these scenes, because she's not gonna have a good time. She likes Twice. We got to see Hawks be awesome this episode. We got to see Dabi be awesome. Dabi knows Hawks's name. I mean, at this point, it's pretty much all but confirmed that Dabi is the dead son of Endeavor. I don't know why they're pretending otherwise. So I guess, man, rest in peace. Twice. First casualty of this war. Of at least of a named character that we know of. And it's the nicest villain. I hope you've been having a wonderful day, and I hope you continue to have a wonderful day. And until next episode, take it easy. It just feels wrong at this point. It just feels wrong after this episode. How am I supposed to take it easy? How could you do this to me, my hero? Ah! I'm gonna fucking kill whoever's revving their engine back there.